Hi, welcome to Happy Living. Keep smiling and stay happy. Well, Upma is something that bores our breakfast, right? But I'm sure this Upma will make our breakfast exciting. That's bread Upma for you in our cooking series today. Six tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of ghee, 4 onion, 2 tomatoes, 5 medium-sized potatoes, 6 green chilies, 10 cloves of garlic, half cup of white channa, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of mirchi powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sajira, coriander leaves to garnish, and a loaf of bread. Potatoes should be peeled, boiled, and mashed nicely. And soak the white channa overnight and boil the next morning. Add ghee to a pan or a kadai. Once the ghee turns hot, add the bread pieces and fry well. Add all the bread pieces and fry well on a medium flame. Once roasted, keep it aside. Add oil to a pan or a kadai. When oil turns hot, add sajira. Sajira adds flavor to the dish. Add chopped onions and fry until the color changes. Add chopped garlic and fry well. Add green chilies and fry well. Add coriander leaves and fry well. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they are soft. Add turmeric powder. Add mirchi powder and mix well. Add salt according to your taste and mix evenly. Add boiled channa. Add the mashed potatoes. Add very little water for the masala to spread. Now add the fried bread pieces and cook for 5 minutes. Now the dish is ready. Serve hot. Recipe is also available at the description below. Thank you. See you soon with another delicious dish. Until then, it's your Lata Shravan signing off.